Today ating alamin ang derivative ng arcsine of x. We know that if we have sine 90 degrees, that is equivalent to 1. And if we're going to use the inverse, we write arcsine of 1 is equals to 90 degrees. Look at the difference. So therefore, if we have sine y is equals to x, then the inverse is the arcsine of x is equals to y. So to find the derivative of arcsine of x, first we're going to find the derivative of sine y. So to do that one, the derivative of sine y, because this is equivalent to dy dx, the y is equals to arcsine of x, therefore dy dx. So we have here the derivative of sine y is cosine y, okay, dy dx, and the derivative of x is 1. We know that here, by dividing cosine y, you've got dy dx is equals to 1 over cosine y. We also note that in trigonometric identity that sine squared y plus cosine squared y is equals to 1, and therefore cosine squared y is equals to 1 minus sine squared y. And we also note that if that is in the negative pi to over 2 to pi over 2, where y is in that interval, then we consider only the positive of the value. Because there are two, that means positive, negative, but we're only dealing with the positive because that is in the interval of negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Therefore, that is 1 minus sine squared y. So therefore, this is equivalent to dy dx is equivalent to 1 over the square root of 1 minus sine squared y. And we know that sine y is equals to x, so that is equivalent to 1 over square root of 1 minus sine y squared is equals to x squared. We've got here. Okay, so therefore, this is equivalent to 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. That is the derivative.